A tragic incident occurred in Effurun, Delta State, leading to the death of a citizen, Mene Ogidi, an officer of the Nigerian Police Force, ASP Nuru Usman, acting in a manner that betrayed his oath, took the life of a citizen extrajudicially.
How can you go, Mr. Officer? Officer! How can you go, Mr. Officer, man? How can you go, Mr. No? Officer, no. I don't know, officer. Officer, I don't know. Papa, officer, no, no. Jesus.
The Inspector General of Police, Olatunji Rilwan Disu, has announced decisive disciplinary action following the fatal shooting of Mr. Mene Ogidi in Effurun, Delta State on April 26, 2026. According to the IGP, all officers linked to the incident were immediately withdrawn from the Delta State Command and redeployed to the first headquarters in Abuja, where they underwent expedited disciplinary proceedings.
Let me be clear. This action was criminal, it was unprofessional, it has no place in the Nigerian Police Force. Upon receiving the report, I ordered the immediate transfer of all involved officers from Delta State Command to the first headquarters in Abuja.
Based on the findings, the committee recommended the immediate dismissal of ASP Usman and other officers found culpable. This will confirm that he has approved the recommendation and forwarded it to the Police Service Commission for ratification in line with due process. He further stated that upon completion of the administrative procedures, the affected officers will be handed over to the appropriate judicial authorities for prosecution over their role in extrajudicial killings.
The officers were compelled to face the full weight of the internal disciplinary machinery without delay. The fourth disciplinary committee was already in session, and I directed that ASP Nuru Usman and the other superintendents of police face FDC directly. At the same time, the three inspectors involved were tried by Ordinary Rule Trial Tribunal. Findings and recommendation. The investigation confirmed without any ambiguity that ASP Nuru Usman acted in gross violation of Force Order 237, which governs the use of firearms in Nigerian police, and established standard operating procedures of Nigerian police. No level of criminal suspicion against a citizen justifies extrajudicial killing. Our duty is to protect lives, not to extinguish it. The following recommendations have been made. Dismissal from service. The FDC and Ordinary Room Trial have all recommended immediate dismissal of ASP Nuru Usman and the other officers involved in this matter.
Reaffirming the first position, the IGP stressed that Nigerian Police Force maintain a zero-tolerance stance on abuse of power and unlawful use of force. No uniform confirmed the right to take life outside the provision of law, is stated, warning that any officer found in violation will face both consequence disciplinary and legal consequence. Disu also extended condolences to the family of the deceased, acknowledging their loss and assuring that justice will be pursued transparently to strengthen the public trust and accountability within the force.
Police Service Commission ratification. In line with the constitutional requirements, I have formally forwarded these recommendations for dismissal to the Police Service Commission for final ratification. Let me state for records, the actions of these officers do not reflect the value, training, or standard of the Nigerian Police Force. They acted against the police proper procedures and violated Force Order 237. The Nigerian Police is an institution built on the rule of law, and we have zero tolerance for lawlessness within our ranks. No uniform is a license to kill. No uniform is a license to kill. My message to the people of Delta State and all Nigerians: I extend my deepest condolences to the family, friends, and community of late Mene Ogidi. A life has been lost, and no statement can fill that void. But I give my words, justice will not only be done, it will be seen to be done.
He called on the member of the public to remain calm and law-abiding, reiterating the police commitment to professionalism, discipline, and protection of citizen rights. The incident has renewed concern over police brutality and extrajudicial killing in Nigeria, issues that previously sparked the nationwide protest during the SARS movement.
Now, my friend, I deceived me. If you stop play, bro, if you stop play, I'm going to carry my friend. I don't know anything concerned. Yes, I don't know anything concerned. I don't know anything concerned. I beg. I don't know anything concerned. I go carry you from I just say something like this. I go carry you from officer. I go carry you from officer. Officer. I go carry you from officer, man. I go carry you from officer. No. Officer, no. I don't know officer. Officer, I don't know. Papa, officer, no, no. Jesus. Ọ̀dàgbẹ̀! Sùúrù! Ọ̀dàgbẹ̀! Sùúrù! Ìkìlọ̀ sí ra. Get lucky. He get luck.